Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. The fifth sign that YouTube is not for you. Now this is for the creator as well as you. Watching this, you're viewing this right now. You've been flipping through your phone, you got your phone in your hand right now. If YouTube disappears, YouTube is everything you had, you might as well say, I'm done. YouTube is not for you. I'm learning right now not to base everything that I have on this lifestyle. And I'm talking to somebody right now. You're a YouTube creator. You probably just getting started or something like that, and you're putting everything you have in this tube, and you even forgot to put you in the tube, and you're basing everything on this. If YouTube disappeared right now and your life was to turn upside down, YouTube is not for you. You might as well stop uploading if you're a creator, and you might as well stop watching if you're a viewer, because we do not want to have our lives so entangled into this internet, into this matrix, into this whole worldly system that we are not able to survive without it. So if you can live without it, you're all right. But if you have a situation, in your life and all of this disappeared and your life would go down, you'll find yourself depressed and sad and hurt, then YouTube might not be for you. Now, the good thing about it is that anything we put our mind to, we can do. I just did a video entitled How to Create a Money Mindset. As long as you put your mind to it, there's nothing that you cannot do. Now, I upload videos like this all the time. So if you're into great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, make sure you bookmark my page. Come back and hang out. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.